Keeping your pool water in perfect condition doesn't have to be a guessing game. At Chamberlain, we're here to make pool care easy and affordable with our free pool water testing service. Simply bring a sample of your pool water and our experts will test it right here on the spot. Our quick and accurate testing will give you a detailed analysis so you know exactly what your pool needs. And because we care about getting you the best results, our team will suggest the right products to balance your water. All available right here in store. No need to second guess or buy more than you need. With our free pool water testing service, you can have peace of mind and enjoy a perfectly balanced pool all season long. Visit any of our mega stores today and let us make your pool care a breeze. Chamberlain, famous for hardware since 1903.